Hello, my name's Hedy. I'm the Big Cheese founder of travel gift card mytab.co with Muppet Bundle Cundle. What we're going to do is talk today about how to be able to make money selling personalized items, whether these are collectibles or whether this is jewelry, whether you're going to do something like in a market kind of environment online, or whether you want to just basically blast it out and just sell to an individual. I'm going to show you a few different ways to be able to do this. Some of them are free, some of them are going to be costing you a commission money, but if you can get rid of it, do it. Let's get going. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, oh sorry, I flicked on that before, but don't worry about it. For sale, arts and crafts, Craigslist, absolutely brilliant. These are all the things that people are selling. A beautiful painting, a plastic canvas cat doorstop. What is that? Pottery, etc. You can go through clothes, books, anything down here, cooking books, weird California books. They've all got the prices. The next minute, eBay. People are buying and selling. At the top right, you can see where selling is. If you want to sell something, do it. eBay will charge you a percentage of the price that it's sold for, and also for each time that you want to list it down there. Totally makes sense. That's how they make the money. Or you can also list it free. The next thing, look in Amazon. People are buying and selling all the time from thousands and thousands of different products. So if you're looking at something like all departments, or appliances, etc., you can sell your fridge. The next one, Facebook, free. A lot of people do this actually in groups. This is a closed group, so you need to be asked to be able to be in the group. But if you look down here now, they've got 112 members that have something in common. They like beads and jewelry and charms and things, so ask to join the group and buy and sell from these people. So instead of standing outside your front door or in your garage, it's fun doing that, car boot sales or garage sales, and doing that for 2 days at a time and haggling with people. You get to know your neighbours, it's fun, it's nice. If you want to get rid of things really, really quickly, put them on Craigslist, put them on eBay, put them on Amazon, put them on Facebook. Post it on Facebook as a website if you're doing it as a business. Do it as a group or join a group if you want to have a community kind of feel. She's done this before. She's going to be so incredibly, she's going to be doing something to her neck if she's not careful. Are you okay? I'm going to lift you up for a second. My name's Hedy. I'm the Big Cheese founder of travel gift card mytab.co, coming to you from San Francisco. Check it out. Have a good one.